When the US president unveiled new guidelines for the opening of the economy and getting people back to work, he told the states they called the shots. But much of Friday, he was taking shots at governors. In a series of bizarre tweets, he wrote "Liberate Michigan," "Liberate Virginia," and "Liberate Minnesota," seemingly to provoke demonstrations in those states against extended lockdowns to beat the pandemic. Trump also attacked New York Governor Andrew Cuomo for his requests for medical supplies. Cuomo, meanwhile, said the federal government needed to help implement widespread testing.
The federal government cannot wipe their hands of this and say, oh, the states are responsible for testing. We cannot do it.
Some states are starting to reopen. Florida will open some beaches this weekend. Texas announced the beginning of a phased approach.
So today I'm issuing an executive order that outlines how we go about opening the Texas economy, helping you return to work using the safest standards to contain the coronavirus.
At the daily coronavirus briefing, the US president was his usual combative self.
Following the announcement of our reopening guidelines, there have been some very partisan voices in the media and politics who have spread false and misleading information about our testing capacity. If they didn't understand it, it's just really, unfortunately, I hate to say this because we've been getting along very well, but it would be false reporting.
This week, the US president has lashed out the World Health Organization and suspended its funding, lashed out at China by spreading unfounded theories, and repeatedly at the governors of US states. Whether his motive is to distract from the climbing death toll here in the US or to pump up his political base is unclear. One thing is clear, though, that the country, the United States, is divided politically during the COVID-19 pandemic than it was before. Nathan King, CGTN, at the White House.